Marshall asked if I had a video on my vacuum cleaner setup here, and I don't think I do. So, anyways, I'm going to just do a quick walk around. This is a Makita Model 483, and it's a much more compact, smaller version of the much larger Makita vacuum I have in my workshop. This is meant to be somewhat portable. I mean, it's not as portable as my little Bosch cordless vacuum, but you can still put it in my truck pretty easily. It's not very heavy or anything. So what I did was I bought this El Cheapo dust deputy kind of thing there, put it onto a bucket which I bought at the home center, which has this very good latching system for sealing the bucket, and then the vacuum cleaner goes into the Cyclone and then into there. It probably gets 95, 96% of the dust. I mean, the only time this ever really gets bad in there is when I overfill it, which unfortunately I do fairly often. I bought a hose here. This is the stock hose, and I bought this hose here that is a actual Makita product. It's however meters, 5 meters long or something like that. But the big thing about this vacuum is it has a switch on the front. You can set the power level here, but also that's off, that's on, and this is keyed. So whatever power tool you plug into there, when you power the tool up, it turns the vacuum on, and then the vacuum will run for 5 seconds after the tool turns off. It's also got this nifty little shelf there that's kind of meant to put your circular saw here, so the blade can stick down in there and the saw can rest on there. So anyways, it's a very good little setup. I often hook it up to things like my track saw, which is set up for right now because this is where I'm doing cutting, or like a sliding compound miter saw, or when we were doing sanding a floor in a client's condo, had this hooked up and it worked all day, and boy, what a difference, because the suction from this thing is really good. So you can say it really sucks. Anyways, that's a little quick walk around. I hope that answers any questions, Marshall. Everything I got here I got in Japan. I bought that little dust collector thing off of, or Cyclone thing off of Amazon. I think it wasn't expensive. Well, that's it.